Previously on ITSVONTE'S world.
Yeah. That's how we do it out here, you know what I'm saying? I'm getting lit. We in Miami enjoying the beautiful vibes and the scenery. From Texas. Can I get your number though before I leave?
Yeah.
Beautiful color, look out.
Oh. You heard that.
Yes, my team. Yeah. You know what I'm saying? Bro, I'm scared.
That's a good one. So I just started my makeup. Look at my man.
I'm out in Miami feeling like Tony Montana in this motherfucker, man. Feeling like Tony Montana in this motherfucker, man.
Hey, what up? We in Vonte's world. Vonte's world. Vonte's world. We're just living in it.
Yeah, okay. Yeah.
Actually, I got the Rex with me. Rex. Actually, I got the recipe. Yeah. Actually, these niggas mad at me. Why? Mad at me cause I smash his freak. Damn. Actually, ain't no cap with me. No cap. Your Majesty. Yeah, bitch, I'm a king. King. Bad bitch named Ashley. She bad. And she gon' come and shake that ass for me. Twerk. Actually, yo bitch added me. She all in my DMs and
It's your world, it's my world, it's Vonte's world, man. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. As y'all can see, you know what I'm saying, we at Walmart, but it's a little different, you know what I'm saying? Y'all see the palm trees and shit. Back in Miami again, you know what I'm saying? This time, I'm with the gang. So, you know what I'm saying?
Back with another one.
Yeah.
Back with another
With the gang this time, so it's gonna be a whole situation. We gonna set this shit all right, but we gotta get all the essentials real quick. We gonna come in this Walmart, get all the essentials, make sure we straight for the, you know what I'm saying, for the trip, and then we gonna get to the function and all the activities, and y'all know I'm gonna bring y'all them lit ass vibes. I told y'all when I came back this time I was gonna go crazy with it, so that's what we gonna do. That's what we gonna do.
It's pre-game season. We just getting prepped up.
Right.
Pre-game. Yeah.
Just getting started with this shit, so.
And stay tuned.
Right. Let them know, nigga, we about to go crazy. And cuz got his camera too, so we gonna have all the footage.
Yeah.
Shit, we need, for sure gotta get some condoms. And get some snacks and shit. You probably need a little cart. You gotta have these. Gotta have these. Probably ain't enough, but it's enough for now. Cause when she alright, next item. Everybody got them son? Sure. Stay strapped up. Alright, man, we done shopping now. We got all the essential shit. You can see they got them American flag boys. Oh, yeah. Hey, fuck it. Had to get the essentials. Now we about to go to the spot. I'm gonna show y'all what it's looking like, you know what I'm saying? The vibes and the views. You know what I'm saying? Then we gonna get the day started for real. But my fucking camera about to die in like 2 seconds, so I'm gonna just come see y'all in the next clip. We in this motherfucker, Miami, we back, you know what I'm saying, with the gang, with the squad, and we about to have a good ass time and enjoy this fucking vibes, you know what I'm saying, enjoy this good ass time.
No,
We in
no
that bitch.
stupid ass ain't turning.
You know, already know what's going on. We got the gang this time, you know what I'm saying?
We got a new member to the game.
Yeah, we got a new member too.
New member.
Yes, sir.
You feel me? Everybody call me Uncle Willie. You feel me?
Uncle Willie, bang, 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 Uncle Willie.
Miami squad nigga, bitch. You already know what
We just getting started, man. It ain't even happened. I mean, that ain't shit even happened yet.
Man, we just got see shit yet, bro.
Right.
We don't even see all the good shit. We just got here. And we already seen good shit.
Right.
Man.
But I gotta show y'all the crib, you know what I'm saying? Cause we got a little top of the notch top, you know what I'm saying?
Okay,
yes, sir.
Is nice.
We about to be doing some shit, man. I told y'all last time when I come back to Miami, I'm doing it big, nigga. We going out. We got a car this time. We got the crib this time. I'm with the gang, so we about to go crazy, man. But stay tuned in, watch the whole motherfucking video all the way through to the end. Hit the fucking like button and make sure you subscribe to the channel.
Hit that motherfucking like button.
Right. Yeah. So many different vibes. Scenery, you know what I'm saying? Scenery and vibes going on. It's just like though, we ain't even did nothing. We fresh off the plane, just chilling, vibing. We ain't even get to get, you know what I'm saying, get trippy and put nothing on. We just on some, fuck it, we gonna pull up real quick and do some shopping. Do some shopping real quick. You know what I'm saying? Gang right behind me, always by my side. What up? Huh? Huh? No, it's called Shoe Plaza. Bro, what you?
Bye, I'll talk to you later.
You should have blocked that bitch. That's what I would have did. I would have blocked that bitch. She wouldn't even been able to call me.
It's irritating. Like, stop fucking calling me. You know I'm down here having fun, bitch. You know my stop ruining my fun, bitch.
That's why you should have blocked her ass. Leaving them all. Everybody got something except for me.
Right. You always be the main one with something.
I come in this bitch. They didn't have no shoes. I literally tried to get like 4 different pairs of shoes. They didn't have them on my size. Shit crazy. We about to go to a different mall now because I gotta get some more drip, man. I don't have no complete outfit. Like I got one outfit with no shoes. I got another outfit with shoes and pants with no top. And then I still need like 2 more outfits. I knew y'all was out there, man. Come on this side. I'm gonna show y'all this motherfucking spot. Show y'all the crib for the next couple of days, you know what I'm saying? So first we gonna start off right here. You know, we got the $8 million chandelier that was customly imported from Italy, you know what I'm saying? So that alone, you know what I'm saying, is priceless. We can't even put a price on that. But we got the living room right here, you know what I'm saying? Nice big mirror so we can see everything what's going on, you know what I'm saying? Festivities galore. You know, we're gonna take part of you know, some good festivities. But then we come this way, we come over here, we got a nice little lounge area, you know, like second den type area over here. We come over here, we got a nice office space. A nice little office space over here with the desk. You know what I'm saying? And then we got a bed over here too. So, you know, whoever room this is, I think. Damn, it's double bed too. So there's a couple, you know what I'm saying? We got a couple of dotties can lay up in this motherfucker, you know what I'm saying? They can lay her up in this motherfucker. What we got over here? I think there's just like a fucking furnace in here or something. So we come over here. Okay, let's go back this way. Y'all gotta keep up with me, you know what I'm saying? Show y'all the crib. Alright, so we come in here to the kitchen. Everything new, everything state-of-the-art appliances was going on right here. You know what I'm saying? Stainless steel microwave, the glass stove top and all that. You know what I'm saying? We got the double door on the you know what I'm saying? What we got in there? A little bit of something. We bought the ice? The ice was already in there. Then we got a little bit more festivities, you know what I'm saying, in here, but a whole lot of water, you know, you gotta stay hydrated. You gotta stay hydrated, take care of yourself, health is wealth, you know what I'm saying? Then we come over here, got the little snacks, you know what I'm saying, gotta have the CT Crunch and the Captain Crunch, you know what I'm saying? So we got a little snacks over here on deck. Little snacks over here, you know, we come from the hood, so we always gonna carry them noodles, you know what I'm saying? Come in the clutch whenever a nigga hungry late night. Yeah.
I'll get one of these.
Go ahead, bro. Nah, look. We got the Doritos on deck. We got the shot glasses on deck already ready to go. Little extra utensils and everything. And we come over here. We got the nice little living room area over here. We did have a 70-inch flat screen but it had to get swapped out for some repairs, you know what I'm saying? So we just gonna cool with this one for now. It's gonna get the job done, but you know, this was going on. We got the living room right here. Do we want to go outside? Do we want to go outside? Fuck it, we go outside. Come on.
You might as well.
So we come this way.
Y'all like bugs in this bitch too?
We come outside. Shit, we out here. We out here. We got a nice little sitting area right here, little bench. If you want to sit down and meditate, you know what I'm saying? You want to just come out here and just meditate and relax and get a peaceful mind. You can turn that way and you can see the beautiful trees and the scenery. And every now and then you get a good plane flying, landing. You know what I'm saying? And then we got the table over here. This is the big dog table over here. We're gonna be outside, have a little events going on. You know what I'm saying? Several different dots. You know what I'm saying? Probably one of y'all girls. You know, they will be out here probably getting clapped or just, you know what we do. So, but we come over here. We got the grill over here. So, you know, we might get some good food going. Look like they ain't clean this motherfucker though, but it's cool. We clean that boy. And we come, yeah, y'all already seen this, so now we're gonna go upstairs. Hold on, pause that music real quick. Hold on, we had the music going in the background. I had to pause the music so we don't get copyrighted on the channel. And I forgot to mention this priceless art piece right here. It was appraised for $2 million. We just got that appraisement last week, so the price is only gonna go up. And then we got this crystal chandelier right here. This was also imported from Italy. I can't even tell you the numbers on that because that one is just, you know, we gotta keep it close. We're gonna come this way. We're gonna come upstairs now, and this is where a lot of the dots and niggas' girlfriends gonna be getting clapped at.
Right here. Up here.
Yeah, so come upstairs, you know, and you know we got this mirror right here, so. As you walking up the stairs and you know the girl got her hand out and she in front of you and she got your hand, you know, she went walking up the stairs and you seeing her walk by and you get that face in the mirror, you know, like I'm finna do my thing.
Right.
Yeah.
Right.
So we gotta hit that. Then we come over here, we come upstairs. We got one bedroom over here. You know, this is a nice little bedroom over here. The bros in here, you know. Big closet, all that good stuff. Show the bathroom real quick, nigga. This bathroom is dog ass master bathroom right here with a big ass jacuzzi tub with the his and her sinks to go with it. You know what I'm saying? So when your girl wake up in the morning, she can brush her teeth same time as I'm brushing my teeth, and then she can get it out of here. We come this way. You know, we got another room over here. Yeah. This is gonna be a playroom. So you know if you know we got a couple little vibes going on, but we sauteing something else at the moment. We're gonna send them in here and just tell them, you know, just wait and just, you know what I'm saying, do your thing. Y'all go ahead and do what y'all gotta do until we get ready, because we already got something working. You know what I'm saying? So, and then we come over here, we got this room, this bathroom right here. You know, just a regular, schmegular. Don't show the toilet. Niggas just got done shitting in that motherfucker. Just, you know, regular, schmegular, damn, this door open right in here. I got 3 bathrooms. Bathroom right here, you know. So then we come over here. This is my shit right here. Little duck off room in the back type. You know what I'm saying? Definitely gonna be clapping some thoughts in here. You know, give me a little good view of what's going on out there. I'm gonna make sure I'm looking out the window so when y'all niggas pulling up to come get your girl, I could be like, hey, but you gotta go, your nigga here. Get out of here. I told your ass to turn your fucking location off, bitch. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, that's the house tour, you know what I'm saying? We in Miami with the gang. There's about to be a whole lot of vibes going on, you know what I'm saying? A whole lot of lit shit going on. We just touched down, we just got here, this is the first day. You know what I'm saying? So we about to just get it in. We gotta get ready, get prepared, you know what I'm saying? Get sauced up, get dripped up. Cause we about to go out tonight, nigga. We gonna have a motherfucking ball. And then, you know, we're gonna be leaving with these girls. We're gonna bring it back to the crib, and then you already know the rest is gonna be history. So, you know, if your girl is in Miami at this point in time when we here, bro, I feel sorry for you. You should have never. That's the worst mistake you could have ever did.
You should have never left there in Miami.
You should have never did that. Like never. But it's cool because you ain't know we was gonna be here, so it's cool. But
well,
yeah,
you don't know.
It is what it is at this point. But shit, yeah, man, we just gotta.
And if you seen this video, it's too late. You fucked the bitch.
Right. That's the crib, man. You know what I'm saying? Y'all welcome to stay. You know what I'm saying? Have some drink, have some smoke. You know, chill with us, vibe with us. But you know, we about to get to the business. We about to get to the action. You know what I'm saying? We ain't got too much more time to be talking and wasting. But yeah, man, that's the house tour, man. That's the Miami house tour that we got secured, and we're gonna be here getting this motherfucker lit the whole fucking trip, man. So make sure y'all watch the video all the way through to the end. Hit the fucking like button and watch the whole video series, because y'all know, if y'all haven't seen my other videos that I did when I was in Miami, go back and watch those videos, because those videos was lit. And if you ain't seen that, you missing out on a lot of lit shit. So in these videos, this series, this trip that I'm here, there's gonna be a whole lot of lit videos back to back to back. So make sure you watching the video all the way through, and you watch the next video and the next video, because it's gonna be a whole lot of lit shit. But yeah, just like that, man, we about to get lit, we about to get to the action, we about to get to the clapping, and you know what I'm saying, just like that, man, we out of here.
And subscribe to my YouTube channel, and my Uncle Bonte YouTube channel, and my brother YouTube channel. Because they all of us got YouTube channels.
Actually, I got the Rex with me. Rex. Actually, I got the recipe. Yeah. Actually, these niggas mad at me. Why? Mad at me cause I smash his freak. Damn. Actually, ain't no cap with me. No cap. Your Majesty. Yeah, bitch, I'm a king. King.